Hi, I'm Spike from HeadQuarters. We're a small technology company based here in Queenstown. We provide wireless hotspot services called HQWiFi to guests and tourism accommodation throughout the region. We've just stepped into the voice over IP market. We were providing voice phones to managed apartments along with our other wireless services. Sticking to the tourism side of things, we provide the live touch touchscreens. We have a number of 42-inch touchscreens which we've designed and built ourselves, which are internet based, which we have dotted around hotels and motels in the region. They provide live information feeds, webcam feeds from our webcam services based at some of our uplink sites, snow reports and flight information coming in and out of town. We also run a fleet of digital signage TVs, currently running DVDs, which are cycled seasonally. We're in the process of moving those onto an internet TV based solution so that we can update content and feeds and information on a live basis, along with working on a tourism channel to be played into the hotel in-room infrastructure. On top of this, we run a website called queenstown.com, so we're very embedded in Queenstown with what we do, and we bring all these services and information that we do across the board with our other branches of the business into queenstown.com, and we provide email services, consulting, IT services for a number of businesses in town, also for some national and international brands such as HP and McDonald's. We do some of the technical servicing for these areas as well. We run a staff of about 5 to 6 people depending on the season and the workload that's on, and we're very busy. So our current connection is a mix of fibre and layer 2 copper services. We have 150 megabits backbone into our office and also peering into our Christchurch co-location rack space. We run 70 to 100 layer 2, whether that be copper or fibre services, DSL, ADSL, HSNS, VDSL, UFB light or UFB full, to our various uplink sites depending on requirements and bandwidth. We also run wireless backhauls between a number of these sites as well, so we can distribute fibre-based connectivity to sites that don't have access to the UFB fibre services yet. So UFB fibre is changing the way we do business. We're able to provide faster services to our customers, better quality of service. We're moving into voice over IP because we've now got the bandwidth, the latency, the capacity to provide good quality voice services, hosted voice services to our customers, which gives them a lot of flexibility, which is essential in Queenstown. We have a very seasonal town, and a lot of offices will move from one location to another depending on the season. So having these services available cloud-based or on internet infrastructure is a fantastic way to be able to move people around between offices and resources with low setup times and issues relating to infrastructure within those offices. Question 4.
Okay.
So the business community is going to benefit hugely here in Queenstown from fibre access, in particular gigabit access as well. Obviously we see changes, as I've mentioned before, in regards to the way we set up offices, the way seasonal workers can move around, the quality of services we can provide to our guests and to our business customers. There's opportunities, being a landlocked town, we now have opportunities to export knowledge, which is something we haven't been able to do in the past. We've exported gold, we've imported tourism. Now we have a serious opportunity to produce quality software products and solutions to the world from the magnificent place that is Queenstown, that inspires people to work and think outside the box, which is what we do here at HeadQuarters. No worries. So if Queenstown won Gigatown Fibre, I would double all my data plans and keep the costs exactly the same so that everyone gets to share in the love that is the high-speed internet we're going to have here in Queenstown.